Hey everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to install my drawer labels. These are again just direct replacement for what's already there. These are a little tricky to get off, they're very snug. Here's an original one. We've got these 5 tabs on here. What you need to do is get behind the back of the tab and the drawer, and you need to push down as you pull away a little bit, and you kind of go through each one individually. Here's the back side of the drawer, and basically what you want to do is you want to get your flathead screwdriver in this little tab, well, in front of the tab here, between the red of the drawer and the black of the handle, and then kind of push up, pry the red up a tiny bit while you're pulling slightly on the front of the drawer tabs. Because I've done this, this is popping out really easily, but usually it's a lot harder the first time. Pop them out, there you go. You don't want to push down too hard on these tabs because you can kind of, you know, maul them a little bit. Then you grab your other handle, the replacement handle, it's got the same amount of tabs. Stick it on the front, pop it in, you're good to go. You don't want to be pushing down on these ones as much just because, you know, it's not indestructible. If you need to remove this or replace it, just grab it from the front with your 2 hands like this, and you can kind of just pull it. That took a bit of force, so don't be concerned about when they're in that they're going to come off. But, you know, if they do, let me know and I'll just reinforce this tab here, but I've been using them no problems, and yeah, happy days.